Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akriti. I hope you all are doing great. I am in my 34 weeks officially and super charged up and excited. What to say, like little scared since the due date is near. Today's video is all about what's in my hospital bag. Before starting the video, I just want to make it clear that since I am second time pregnant and मुझे पता है कि क्या चीज़ों की ज़रूरत exactly होती है or what all we can avoid literally. I am sharing the tailor-made products which actually I feel which is important in your hospital bag, that is mama's hospital bag. So I'm sharing it all here. It totally depends on you how you take it, and you exactly know what all are the things which you actually require. There are certain things which are common to all, so I have taken all those products here wherein I feel that are very important to carry with yourself. This is all what I am carrying. I will be showing you each and every products which I'll be carrying to my hospital. I have not kept anything which is not gonna be in any use, since I told you it's my second time. So without any delay, let's get started. So mamas, you should avoid taking too much stuffs in the hospital bag because बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है जो आपका हॉस्पिटल आपको प्रोवाइड करता है. तो make sure that you talk to your person who exactly is going to give you a package wherein you discuss the things which you actually need in the hospital and what all they provide from their side, so that it should be clear in your mind कि आप कितना चीज़ें लेके जा रहे हो और कितनी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत आपको exactly पड़ेगी. Unnecessary packing, I don't feel it should be done. Overdo it. It's just that whatever is required, just pack it in that manner. So in my case, I discussed each and everything with the person whom we are dealing with, whom we have booked a room with, spoken for the room and the arrangements. So she has told me कि कितनी चीज़ें आप अपने तरफ से ला सकते हो, कितनी चीज़ें hospital provide करेगा. That made my life easier because I only packed those things which actually she said that would be required. At the end of the day, आपको जैसा feel होता है कि आपको जितनी भी चीज़ें carry करनी है, you should carry, because I don't know who all are watching this. Might be first time mom or second time mom or third time mom. I don't feel कि third time mom ये watch भी करते होंगे. But then जो भी आपको ठीक लगे आपको वो ज़रूर रखना चाहिए. As per my and my gynae understanding, I will be there for at least 2 to 3 days. So first thing first is organizer. When I say organizer, it is something which I feel it's really important. You get these organizers on Amazon. I feel this is something which you should do before packing your hospital bag, because at that particular time आपको पता नहीं होता है what is your condition, how it will go, what situation you are in. So it's just that आप यहाँ पे put a tag or something wherein you mention कि for what exactly those bags are made. तो अगर आपकी कोई help कर रहा है, whosoever in your family members are there, they can just open your bag and they'll immediately get to know कि what exactly is needed and what to give it to you. So it makes both the lives easier. So the next important thing is these underwears. These are cotton underwears which I have taken it from H&M, and these are super comfortable. Since after delivery you will be bleeding for some days, so for that you need a mesh panties, which I will show you in later half of this video. I just want to be on safer side, so these are the cotton ones, and I have used these entire my pregnancy. I went from medium to large to extra large, and these are super comfortable. If it is a C-section or normal, you want to be very comfortable down there, because that part of yours will feel very uncomfortable. It will be very painful also. So you need those kind of underwears wherein you feel comfortable enough. So just to be on safer side, I have carried this. After this, I am carrying some nursing bras. So these are all from Morphe Maternity, which is a nursing bra. You would want to be very comfortable. You don't want to have those wires or those elastic things there and padded things, because आप obviously if you are able to do breastfeed, then also you need something very very comfortable. So us accordingly मैंने ये लिया and it is very easy, you know, you can just feed the baby easily. So just pull it down and then you go, and yeah, your work is sorted. So this kind of this also I have taken it from Amazon, and this has 3 colors in it, that is gray, blue, and one is black. I'll share all my links in my description box below. Please have a look. And these all are very budget friendly. I have not taken something which is costly because I feel that these bras are not gonna last forever, because you will see a lot of changes in your breast size. So I've not taken anything which is two ways costly. As soon as you give birth, it is important to be in comfortable clothing. So I've taken some of the clothing items which I will show you. Night suits, these are all satin night suits. So just see, these prints are so cute. तो मेरे को ये zebra printing वाले बहुत अच्छे लगे थे. And these all are satin, which is soft and comfortable. You will be happy to wear all of these. So ये सारे मैंने ऐसे लिए हैं. So this all has buttons. So if you are breastfeeding also, it is very easy for you to just breastfeed. You will not feel uncomfortable in front of anyone, I feel, with these kind of clothes. So these are one of the things which I have ordered. This is from Myntra, and I have taken this in the size of XL. The color is so good and the material is so soft. It will give you all that comfort which you actually need, mamas. Next, I have taken this kind of gown, and it is so nice that you can just wear this. And if you can see, ये यहाँ पे maternity section में था, and this you can open it from here and close it. Just feed the baby and just close the zip. And if you want, you can order this. This I have taken from Ajio, and they also have a lot of options in this. You have so many colors. Even I will show you the next one which I am talking about. Honestly, I feel the maternity section is too costly, but these clothes were in my budget, so I feel कि ये सारे ही बहुत अच्छे हैं. Second is I have taken this kind of again a button up nightie. Not nightie, you can see it as like a short dress, and this has a button in it, have very cute hearts, which is pink in color, and a cute cat is made here. So I felt this is very cute, and it is from Yousta. I don't know the brand, but actually the fabric and the quality, the color, everything seems to be so me. So I took one of these also. Whenever I showed it here, those all are nursing friendly items. Then I am carrying some socks, so just to feel warm there. And anyways, usually I also wear socks in my house. So मुझे लगता है कि socks is very very important, क्योंकि आप जैसे ही बाहर आते हो, you feel very very cold. You already are shivering, because last time I was shivering after giving birth to Miran. Next is homecoming outfit, which has to be one of the very very comfortable outfit which you are gonna wear once you are discharged from the hospital. So this I have taken from, again, this is a nursing friendly outfit which I have taken, and it is very very comfortable, very cute color, and the guys, just look at this, very very soft. And this is from the brand Masha, which I saw on Instagram, and I just ordered this. I could not resist. I've seen a lot of people wearing this. Kind of, it is a night dress, you can say. I felt that this would be a great option to wear in, like, while coming back from the hospital. So I took this for my house coming outfit. And the size here is, again, I've ordered everything in large size. मतलब मेरे को बहुत comfortable clothes चाहिए थे. तो this is I have ordered in XL. I'll put a link here, you can have a look. I have a room of comfortable clothes wherein I don't feel anything which is very near or which is chipku at all, because at that particular time I just want to focus on my comfort. That is all. So now we'll move into post care maternity for mamas. So this is all after you give birth. This is all will be needed. So one by one I'll show it. Bunch of these as usual I've gotten from Amazon. So first thing first, this is maternity sanitary pad, which I have again taken of XL size, since you know mamas will be bleeding for some weeks. So for that I have taken this, and this has a good review also. Last time with Miran also, this I have used and I had a good experience with this product. So the same maxi pad, which is too huge. So the next thing is new mom disposable pad fixator. This is what I was calling as mesh panties. So this will be very 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 much needed at that particular time. आपको hospital से भी मिल सकता है. It depends. You want to take it of your own or you want to buy it from here, whatever it is. There are some of the products which I have not received yet. I've already ordered, but वो अभी तक आए नहीं है. So I'll keep a image here, you can see. So first thing is Vaseline for the sore nipples. I had used last time मैंने nipple cream use की थी, which was for mom and co, and it was not that helpful at that particular time. तो मैंने अभी new ऐसे बहुत ऐसे videos देखे, तो उससे समझ में आया कि I can even use Vaseline for the cracked nipples or something like that. क्योंकि जब आप feed कराते हो तो there will be a lot of time when you will feel the pain there, and just put a Vaseline, gentle amount of Vaseline on your nipples. You'll feel little better. So मैंने Vaseline order. Second thing, you should have your towel. If you feel that you want to carry your own stuff, then only, it is not mandatory. They will obviously provide you the towel, but for me I wanted to have my own towel there, so I am just carrying that also. Third is very very obvious, bathroom slippers. So जब भी आप you are using washrooms, so you would obviously want to use bathroom slippers. So that is very important to keep in your mind. And just in the case if by the way you want to look good or you want to have little skincare or makeup with you, just carry a skincare box. ऐसे small सा छोटा सा आप रख सकते हो, wherein you can keep your comb. Obviously comb is very important. So a basic thing, comb, your lip balm, or whatever you use, you feel कि you are comfortable using it, or you want to look presentable or something like that. Whatever is that depends on you how you take it, because कुछ लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है, कुछ लोगों के लिए skin care important नहीं होता है. So if you want to be tidy and clean and look good, then obviously you should carry your makeup box. Next up is your obviously toothpaste and your brush, which is gonna be very very important. Don't forget to keep this in your hospital bag. For me particularly, I don't feel fresh at all. I don't feel good when I don't put perfume or I don't put my body mist. So I am carrying my body mist and perfume with myself, क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है कि if I am smelling bad or the body odor is not good. So I feel that it is very very important to me. That is very subjective. It depends. If you want to take it, you can just carry in your makeup bag. If you don't want, then it's okay. It depends totally on. All right you guys, so this was all about my hospital bag, which I personally feel ki these things are important to carry. I hope this was helpful for first time moms and other mommies as well, and I really really liked and enjoyed making this video. It is very tough for me कि अब मैं इतनी देर बैठ के videos बना सकूं, because I am getting bigger day by day, and it is very difficult. ऐसे नीचे बैठो फिर ऊपर ऐसे, it is little tedious for me, but then I'm happy making the videos and I feel good sharing my things with you all here. And be rest assured, each and every one of us know that end of the day we know what exactly we need in our hospital bag and how we take it. It is very important to be ready for this time, and it is very important that you pack your bag after post 35 weeks. You just keep ready all your stuffs so that anytime anything can happen, so your bags are ready out there and you are not at all conscious or scared about those things that kya carry karna hai kya nahi. I hope you enjoyed this entire video. I will surely see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye. Oh, let me get up now. Oh my god. You need to do this.